Download Mozilla Firefox. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your computer or laptop. It's a quick and easy process, folks. In the Google search bar, type Firefox. Click on the first result, firefox.com. Next, click on Download Firefox. You can set it as your default browser by checking this box. I don't want it as default, so I'll uncheck it. Now I'll click Download Firefox. Just wait a moment. Choose a folder. I've picked one and it's shown up here, so I'll click to start the installation. It's now installing. The installation process is very quick, folks. And here at the bottom, folks, it's appeared. Just click here to open Firefox. Click Continue here. Here you can check these boxes, everyone. You can pin it to taskbar, set Firefox as default, or import from another browser. Then just click Save and Continue. It asks if I want to sync data between devices. I'll click Yes to pin it to the taskbar, so it'll be down here. I don't want to sync, so I'll click Start Browsing. And there you have it, folks. Firefox is now installed. Did you manage? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.